everyone, in today's quick review, we're diving into Flingster.com, an adult video chat platform that promises anonymous connections with strangers around the world. But is it really what it claims to be, or is it just another scam dressed up in sleek marketing? This review is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. It is not sponsored, and your experience may differ. Always use caution when sharing personal or financial information online. According to the official Flingster website, the platform allows instant one-on-one video chats with strangers. No sign-up required. The key features include anonymous video chatting, optional face masks and filters, text chats, and gender filters with premium upgrades. It's marketed as easy, fun, and spontaneous, but the real question is, does it deliver on those promises? On Trustpilot, Flingster has a 3.1 star rating on from 45 reviews, while 58% are 5-star, a significant 35% are 1 star, and those negative reviews raise serious concerns. Some users report crypto payment scams, where they say Flingster denies receiving transactions even when blockchain receipts and screenshots are provided. One reviewer said they just lie and steal. Others say after making a payment and even getting a confirmation, they were banned the next day without explanation. And the most common complaint, fake profiles and scammy behavior, with warnings to avoid talking to people who redirected conversations to Google Hangouts, a red flag in many online scam operations. So, is Flingster legit? Technically, it functions. You can chat with strangers, but the trustworthiness of the platform is questionable, especially with serious allegations of payment fraud and fake users. If you're curious to explore anonymous chat, there are safer alternatives. But if you're planning to pay, especially with crypto, think twice. Thanks for tuning in. If you've had any experience with Flingster, good or bad, feel free to share in the comments. And as always, stay cautious online and research before you pay.